to be part of that long-term collaboration, because it's a very long-term collaboration in many cases, and to be there to witness and to bring together that therapies to the market is just it's beautiful.
That combination of a super interesting problem and a super passionate community, that's why I do what I do.
In reality, so iCELLis bioreactor is really for a customer willing to produce viral vector or oncolytic vaccines or viral vaccines and using adherent cells. And why would they like to use adherent cells? Is because then they can go faster to the market.
Avexis was a company, one of the first companies that was really interested in the iCELLis technology for viral vector production. So what the collaboration with that customer really meant for us is that we brought the technology from really being a prototype device, being almost like every piece is a unique bioreactor to that extent, to an industrialized device. So they actually pushed our technology teams, our development teams, our R&D teams, our sales teams to really make that step change in reliability, quality, consistency. So they've driven our development from prototype phase to really an industrial bioreactor.
We spend a lot of time at client site, so we use the product with them. We listen to the challenges that they are facing and where we could improve, continue further improvement, and we bring that into Cytiva. And we discuss with the R&D and the product management. We have extensive lists, collection of topics on software, consumable, hardware, points of improvement. And we continue on working on this collaboration with our multidisciplinary team internally.
But then there was also it's actually a custom-built project, the current iCELLis.
Yeah, I think most of these innovations or these new products always come from a certain customer interest. They came to our sales team saying, we like the technology, it's not up to the standard we need it to be. Within 18 months we want to go commercial with a therapy here that will save hundreds of babies' lives. Yeah. So time is of the essence. Are you with us? They really came to us, are you with us? And then actually, at that point in time, our company took up the challenge and lots of resources were freed up.
I mean, to go commercial scale, you need huge surface area for those cells to grow. And what we've developed is really kind of a solution with a very limited footprint.
The unique selling point of iCELLis is that it's really very space limited. You don't need a lot of space to create what we call, you can create vaccines or you can create viral vectors, which is something that you enter into a patient, and it's a virus basically that carries kind of a DNA payload, what we say, and that virus will enter into your body, will move to your organ of choice, and there it will give the payload, the DNA, back to that organ so that it cures defective DNA into the body. So that's what the iCELLis bioreactor basically can do for us. And that was how we have contributed to what is now called as the Zolgensma treatment to cure small babies and small children with that genetic disease. And it was really, as a team and as a company, it was really worthwhile to see how our efforts got translated into creating that life-saving therapy later on for these children. If you walk in the streets here, you ask who's baby Pia, everybody will know here in Belgium who's baby Pia, and baby Pia was one of the first babies treated with the Zolgensma treatment. So she's now still in the news. She's now, the beauty of her life. That's really what drives us all, I think. If you see then the results of what our therapy and all that work results into. But one thing that I learned from the iCELLis is I don't think we ever got with iCELLis where we are today if we hadn't collaborated with customers so much.
Yeah.
Collaboration with customers has been key and is still key today.
Exactly.
So we worked a lot with customers, almost like one team, one goal. They really explained well. They said, this is to cure babies. This is for a treatment that will cure them forever. It's not like a medicine that you go and buy in a pharmacy that will help you get through a flu or something like that. This is life-changing for those babies.
It brings you so much dynamism, enthusiasm, and reason to go to work every day. So you can't really imagine many other as good reasons, I think, to move and also get the motivation from all your team members and share that enthusiasm and help our customer to launch those therapies.
We are all kind of forward-thinking people. We don't like the status quo. We all want to make things better. We want to listen to our customers. We want to make things better based on the feedback of our customers. And that's why iCELLis is also such a unique product, because it has been developed together with customers.